Welcome everyone. Hope you are having a nice day. Today, let's explore the traditional occupations of the Igbo people during the pre-colonial era. Igbo land, blessed with rich and fertile soil, has historically been a land of abundance. For generations, its economic system, founded on timeless wisdom, has flourished primarily through agriculture, leveraging the region's vast natural resources to sustain a thriving economy. Men dedicated their strength and skill to yam cultivation, the king of crops. Yams, revered for their significance in culture and economy, were planted and harvested with great care, symbolizing strength and prosperity. Women, with equal devotion, focused on a diverse range of crops, including cocoyam, cassava, maize, beans, and various vegetables. Through their tireless efforts and patient nurturing, they coaxed the land to yield its fullest potential, ensuring that every seed bore fruit and every harvest provided sustenance for their families and communities. Animal rearing was another vital agricultural activity. Goats, sheep, and cattle were raised across the land, providing the Igbo people with a reliable source of meat, hides, and dairy products, which significantly enhanced their livelihoods. Fishing also played a vital role. The rivers, abundant with fish, provided a lucrative source of livelihood for skilled fishermen, who harvested the waters to feed and sustain their communities. Hunting, an art passed down through generations, was another key pursuit, with brave men venturing into the wild for game that supported their families. The blacksmiths, masters of their craft, shaped iron into tools, weapons, and ornaments, essential for survival and trade, fueling the economic pulse of the Igbo world. Woodwork was a significant traditional occupation among the Igbo people. Skilled craftsmen transform wood into exquisite artworks through intricate carvings and are exchanged for a fee. Meanwhile, women equally engage in pottery, basket making, bead crafting, weaving, embroidery, and hair plaiting. Each item was not only practical, but a work of art, created with skill and care, reflecting the heart of Igbo society. Trade connected Igbo communities, where farmers, craftsmen, and traders exchanged goods, each product carrying the spirit of hard work, resilience, and community. In Igbo society, hard work was valued above all. Laziness was met with songs and jokes, a playful reminder that every person had a role to play in sustaining the collective strength of their people. The Igbo people, with their unshakable work ethic, forged a thriving economy and community, built on the labor of the land, the hands of its people, and the harmony between nature and